Okay, so line 22, 7b97z66b Fermi polar quantum matter formula, part 15, Young, Frimaldi, 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal, September 19, 2013. Today's October 20th. So we have ultracold potassium-rubidium KRB molecules, quantum matter, quantum gas, copper alloys, neutrinos, argon gas, cooled plasma, formula, Landau level, Thomas Young's diffraction algorithms for a UFO space engine found in the Wow signal data line 22. This is part 15 of 23. Again, the title is almost the same, except it doesn't have the word formula in it, and it says part 14 KRB Fermion waves from our previous video. I googled atomic pulse equations, and quotes and PDF results were found on a blog. Optical dipole force on ladder-like three-level atomic systems driven by chirped fused cycle pulse laser fields. There's the name of the scientists. Submitted June 2012, and the link is arxib.org. Formula from data continues from optical dipole force. The data from this PDF has several formula videos with it. Quotes from a blog. KRB, ultracold KRB molecules, a new form of quantum matter. It shows the optical dipole trap, homogeneous B field, and quantum gas of 40K87RB. We have laser lights with a large molecule being Fesch patch and the ground state molecule being the down. Quantum gas of Fermi degenerate polar molecules. gilo.colorado.edu is the link. Data formula continues from previous video. Quote from Wiki. His discoveries in mathematical deductions building on experimental work by Thomas Young extended the wave theory of light to a large class of optical phenomena, especially to the double refraction property of Iceland spar or self-sight. In 1817, Young had proposed a small transverse component to light while yet retaining a far larger longitudinal component. Fresnel, by the year 1821, was able to show via mathematical methods that polarization could be explained only if light was entirely transverse. With no longitudinal vibration whatsoever, he proposed the ether drag hypothesis to explain a lack of variation in astronomical observations. His use of two plane mirrors of metal, forming with each other an angle of nearly 180 degrees, allowed him to avoid the diffraction effects caused by the apertures in the experiment of F.M. Grimaldi on interference. This allowed him to conclusively account for the phenomena of interference in accordance with the wave theory. With Francois Arago, he studied the laws of the interference of polarized rays. He obtained circularly polarized light by means of a rhombus of glass known as Fresnel rhomb, having obtuse angles of 126 degrees and acute angles of 54 degrees. October 7th, formula from the data. Thomas Young, mathematical deductions, building experimental work. Extended wave theory of light, large class optical phenomena, double refraction property, Iceland spar, self-sight. Small transverse component to light, retaining large longitudinal components. Polarization, light, entirely transverse, no longitudinal vibration, ether drag hypothesis. Lack variation, astronomical observations, two plane mirrors, metal forming with each other, angle 180 degrees, avoid diffraction effects caused by apertures in experiment. F.M. Frimaldi on interference, wave theory, plus Francois Arago studied laws of the interference of polarized rays. Obtained circularly polarized light by rhombus glass, Fresnel rhomb, obtuse angles 126 degrees, acute angles of 54 degrees. October 7th, formula from the data continues in the next several videos. Thanks for watching.